Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-28E, the Boiler Regulator Top Nut for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-28E, the Boiler Regulator Top Nut for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Let's open up the template MMGS. Okay, let's go top plane. We want to open up a hex. That's going to be 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 sides. No, it stays the same. It's going to be 16. There we go. You put the middle. There we go. Okay, and that's going to be a height of 10. Let's see now. 10 or 3, 10. Blind. Actually, keep blind. Wasted on that one. That's fine. It's going to be, we're going further, fillet 1, I believe it's going to be. Yep, that looks pretty good. Doesn't say what size it is, but 1 works. Yep, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. Okay, now. This side here we want to go normal to, sketch, circle. That's going to be M12. So we want, that one does that, thank you. 12. That's going to be a depth of 8. Feature, extrude, 8, and done. Beautiful. Now we want to go to, there we go, thread, and it's M12, so we want to change that to 12. Come on, go up to 1's M12. There we go. And that's actually 8 deep. So that number there, that's how deep it goes, supposedly. Okay, yep, so it's just, we'll do 1.5. Okay, so we want, I'll get it right this time. Up to that one. Oh, man, it didn't change. Oh, click. Thank you. Okay, so we want trim and trim, and I got the wrong way, haven't I? Yep. Okay, that's fine. Let's scroll up. Oh man, what has changed? Why did it change? Why did it change then? Wasn't on that. That's so weird. There we go. Okay, so clear that selection and clear that selection. So we want edge, nope, wrong one, that one. Thank you. Back to that one and that one. There we go, it looks good. Oh, hold on. Extrude thread. There you go. That's good. Now on this side, we want to go sketch, circle. That's going to be 8. There's no thread on that one. Eight. Beautiful. And that's going to be, it goes through all or up to next or whatever you like. but I'm going to go to up to next and done. And that is that piece done. Yes, it is. And that's going to be brass. Brass. Thank you very much. I like that one. So that's part 3-28E, the Boiler Regulator Top Nut, done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode? Click the button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Welcome all new subscribers, and thank you for everyone that has subscribed. Leave comments. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.